Alright guys, let's know about display property and CSS. Display property control how an element display on a web page. And also in this video we're gonna learn 4 important things in display: block, inline block, and none. These are the 4 important property in display. And also you can set a style from your web browser like Chrome. Let's work with it. You can open your Google Chrome. After that, right click, go to inspect, and in the inspect section you can choose from which element do you want to set a style. In here I want to set a style as my second header, and here as you can see the display of this by default block, and display block takes up full weight. If you want to change this into inline, the inline takes up as much weight as needed. Let's change the display of this into inline. Now let's see. Look, the display of this as much weight as needed. It takes. Look, the display of inline takes up as much as needed. If I change this inline into inline block, the inline block is like inline, but in inline you cannot bring change in width and height, but in inline block you can specify the width and height. Now let's specify the width of this into 70 pixel. I think 70 pixel is so small. Let's make it larger. And I can specify the height of this. For example, 50 pixel. Look, I can specify it. And if I specify the display into none, the element is completely hidden. Look, the element is completely hidden. Let's bring this into inline block. And now if you want to put this paragraph beside of this, you can specify the display of this also inline. Look, the display of this block by default. Let's change this into inline. Look, it comes beside of the second header. Thank you guys. That was our lesson about display, and I hope you understand. And if you have any question, you can post it in the comment section.